Hey guys, today I'm making masala chai biscotti. In a large bowl, add in 3 cups of flour, a cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of ginger and cinnamon, and a quarter teaspoon of clove, cardamom, and nutmeg. Then mix it together and add in 3 eggs, half a cup of oil, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a quarter cup of black tea. Mix it together partially, then add in 180 grams of chocolate chips or chocolate chunks and mix it together completely using your hand. Don't be tempted to add in any additional liquid, the mixture will come together. Transfer the dough onto your work surface and divide it into 2 as equally as you can. Roll each piece of dough into a log shape and place it onto a greased baking tray. Bake at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Remove it from the oven and allow it to cool for 15 minutes. Then place each log onto a work surface and cut it using a serrated or sharp knife. I use the serrated knife to make the indents and then the sharp knife to go all the way through. Gently lift each piece onto the same baking tray and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove it from the oven and allow it to cool completely, and they're ready to serve. Enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.